Hey, what's going on, guys? Everything Pro here. And a while ago I actually made a video unboxing my iPhone 7 Plus, but since then it's had to have a camera replaced, and then today actually we actually went because there's a defect in the screen, so we went to go get the screen replaced, and Apple gave us back our phone and we're like, we're sorry, we couldn't fix it. So they're just like, you guys just get a unit replacement. So we were like, that's amazing. That's actually what we wanted all along. They actually asked if we could just have it replaced because it's had 2 defects in it over my 6 or 7 months of owning it. So anyway, guys, it didn't actually come in this box. It's the original box, but we're gonna do a redo because I tried last time to give you guys an unboxing, but it just turned out really bad. So anyway, let's just jump right into this. Alright, first off, guys, the box is actually super spinny. That's actually really... oh god, I'm easily amused. We need to just... anyway, so that's standard Apple stuff. We got our standard Apple documentation. And then we got our phone, which I did my best, because they didn't actually give us this box. They pulled it out of their work order box, I guess. And just set this down the table. So I had to try my best to wipe the fingerprints off for you guys. So I hope it doesn't look too bad, but we're gonna just pull that out and then set that off to the side. Inside the box, you're gonna get your power adapter, your lightning headphones, and your lightning dongle. I haven't taken these out yet. I just used other people's chargers in my home, so I don't actually. Also, guys, I might have a review coming up for the fully wireless headphones I got a while back, but I don't even use these because they just get tangled. They're like spaghetti. They're like pocket spaghetti. You got your power brick, which I'm not going to take out because I don't actually use it, and I'm not going to take that out because chances are I'll never actually get it back to looking like that again. It'll just end up all tangled. So, yeah, let's take. It's in black. Again, I'm a little bit sad about my jet white skin that I had on it, my last phone, because, god, it looks so good because it was all white on the back except for the antenna bands and stuff, so it was and the Apple logo, so it was this white with it was kind of like a Panda Google Pixel, but it was shiny white, and it was actually great. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this real quick. Oh god, I love doing that so much. But here's the phone, guys. This is about as clean as it's ever gonna be. Not because I don't keep my phone really clean, just because of fingerprints and smudges. But honestly, that's looking good. I'm gonna be a little bit more careful with this phone just because the last phone I had got a bunch of scuffs all up at the top. Actually, from being on this surface. The phone wasn't even 24 hours old, and I was like, oh, it's fine, I'll just put the case on tomorrow. But I went to go and take the phone and put it face down on this just to go to bed or whatever, and I woke up in the morning and the screen had scratches all over the top. I was like, are you kidding me? This is my brand new phone. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna probably put a case on this, maybe a screen protector. I don't know where my life-proof case is right now, but I'll find it eventually. I think it might be in my backpack. But we're going to power this thing up for the first time. They did power it on in the Apple Store, but there's nothing I could do about that. They were just inserting the SIM card and everything. So I'm not going to put this down on the surface, because I don't trust this wooden tabletop to not scratch my phone. So I'm going to hold it here for you guys, just let y'all see. And then we're going to set this up. Oh. So over here on my iPod that I have that I was going to film with, but I'm actually using the GoPro app as my viewfinder, but I'll probably blur out this email in post, but it's giving me the setup new iPhone request, which is actually super cool. God, I'd love to do that, but I don't have a donor phone to take this stuff from, so I'll see you then.